Begin by getting into a comfortable seated position. Allow your palms to rest in your lap facing downwards. And softly close your eyes. Tune into your breath and your body. Belly inflates on every in-breath and deflates on every out-breath. Let it flow smoothly, effortlessly. Letting your body do what it does naturally, without imposing any restrictions on the breath. Let each sip of air be satisfying and complete. Say thank you to the breath for helping you be here now. And as you stay present with this breath, you become more aware of the weight of gravity, the points of contact between you and the surface on which you are seated. I am here now, you may affirm. Allow yourself to continue to be present in your body, connected to your breath. As you let yourself know, whatever it is you've been overthinking, it's okay that you've done so. Let yourself off the hook for this. It's natural. It happens to all of us. But in this moment, you're giving yourself the gift of something else to focus on. The gift of relaxing in the present moment. As any other thoughts pop up, that's perfectly okay. Instead of judging yourself or them, just return your focus to your breath and your body. Begin to sense and imagine a gentle, calming blue light filling the space around you, offering you a cleansing, cooling, calming, and relaxing frequency. Feel this calm blue light all around and within you. As you tune in to this relaxing blue light, let any muscles you do not need to use right now become slack, letting gravity take over so that they may relax. Keeping your focus on the feeling of the calm blue energy. Connected to your breath and your body. Letting any thoughts that emerge come and go without getting hung up on them. And continually returning your awareness to your breath and your body. relaxation to take over. If only just for this moment, let it be okay that you can relax. All there is in this moment is your breath, your body, and the smooth, cooling, calming blue light. Allow your breath to become even more satisfying, rewarding, and relaxing. Finding what that feels like for you.